welcome to the Path channel. I'm Augustus. There are many incidents and occasions where we need to make comparisons. We need to compare one thing with another, or one thing with many things, one person with another, or one person with many persons, and the list goes on and on. So, in such occasions, how are we going to make comparisons? Do we follow some rules and regulations? Do we follow some methods? Yes, we follow some methods, and there are mainly we follow 3 degrees of comparisons. If you are not aware, you will get to know when you watch this video till the end. So without further delay, let's begin today's topic, degrees of comparisons. We know that planets in the solar system are of different sizes and are at various distances from the sun. So taking their examples, let's try to understand degrees of comparison in this slide. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Even Saturn is smaller than Jupiter. Mercury is the smallest planet. It is closest to the sun, and Neptune is the one furthest from the sun. Look at the highlighted words: biggest, smaller, smallest, closest, and furthest. What do they tell us? So the words biggest, smaller, and smallest tell us about the size of the different planets, and the words closest and furthest give us the information about the distance of different planets. So these words which express degrees of comparison among different things. Now let's look at types of comparisons or types of degrees. So there are 3 degrees of comparisons. First one is positive degree, second comparative degree, and the third superlative degree. Now let's try to understand each one of them. First, positive degree. What is positive degree? An adjective is in the positive degree when comparison is made and the word is used in its base form. So remember, in positive degree, word is used in its base form. For example, Mercury is a small planet. So look at the word small. So this is in its base form. Second, comparative degree. An adjective is in the comparative degree when it is used to compare 2 nouns. So comparative degree is used to compare 2 things, 2 nouns. For example, Mercury is smaller than Saturn. So here 2 nouns, 2 planets are compared, Mercury and Saturn. And finally, let's try to understand what is superlative degree. So an adjective is in the superlative degree when a comparison is made among more than 2 nouns. So superlative degree is compared among more than 2 nouns. For example, Mercury is the smallest of all the 8 planets. So Mercury is compared with other 7 planets. That means there are 8 planets altogether. So with them Mercury is compared. So now let's try to understand how do adjectives change form to show comparisons. So adjective change form to show comparison by adding er and est. Let's see some examples. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Great, greater, greatest. Fast, faster, fastest. So look at comparative degree and superlative degree. So in comparative degree, er is added. So look at every word. And in superlative degree, est is added. So sweetest, greatest, and fastest. Now let's try to understand rule number 1. Adjective which end in e form their comparative and superlative degree by the addition of R and ST. For example, large, larger, largest, wide, wider, widest. So look at the comparative word large. So there only R is added. In the similar way, in wide only R is added to make comparison. So also in superlative degree, so in large, ST is added and made us largest, and similar way widest. Now let's try to understand rule number 2. For adjective ending in Y, the Y is changed into I before adding ER and EST for the comparative and superlative forms. For example, pretty, prettier, prettiest, lazy, lazier, laziest. So look at the comparative word. So Y is changed into I. In the similar way, in lazy also, Y is changed into I and made is prettier and lazier. So also in superlative degree, before adding EST, Y is changed, this Y is changed into I. So it is made as prettiest and laziest. Now let's move on to rule number 3. Sometimes for adjectives ending in a single consonant such as T, D, G, N, etc., the last consonant is doubled before adding ER or EST to get the comparative and superlative forms of the words. So here last consonant is doubled. Okay, last consonant is doubled before adding ER and EST. So for example, hot, hotter, hottest, big, bigger, biggest. So look at the comparative and superlative degrees. So T is doubled here in comparative degree and G is doubled in comparative degree for bigger. So also in superlative degree, hottest and biggest. Now let's see rule number 4. Longer adjectives do not take ER and EST to form their comparative and superlative degree forms. For such adjectives, more, remember here, more is used for comparative degree and most is used for the superlative degree form. So to make comparative and superlative degree for longer adjective, more and most is added. For example, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Now let's see, the comparative and superlative forms of some adjectives are not formed from the positive degree. There are some irregular forms. For example, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. So these words are completely different. So comparative and superlative words are not formed from positive degree, but they are completely different from positive degree. So in this way, in this video, we have learned degrees of comparisons. In this way, we have learned in this video 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. And I hope something you have gained from this video. If you need to know more and if you have some doubts and questions, please do ask. I would love to respond your questions, and please do comment below our channel. And if you would like to subscribe my channel, you are most welcome, so that you will get more and more updates as and when I upload my videos. Thank you.